Hi, I am R3 Domino, and today I built the setup, but it was actually half of yesterday. And this is time to fill in the safety gaps, and I'm so excited to knock it down. The high pressure safety gap is over there. These are the four high pressure safety gaps. Those are the not high pressure, so let's start with the high pressure. The most high pressure safety gap was this. On the second place, this was not high pressure. Here we are ready to knock it down, and I am very excited. I bet all of the safety gaps are filled in, and let's talk about it. If something doesn't work, I just push it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness! It didn't topple all the way. Oh, that's okay. And now this. Not work, but it worked. I thought that it will kick out dominoes, but it didn't. So I'm happy for that. And also, I am also happy that the towers didn't trigger any dominoes. Like, I know that sometimes towers trigger the different lines and kick out dominoes. Like long ago, I built a setup where it didn't work. So probably the setup is probably the good part. And next video to come out is an amazing triple spiral. Or it might be a giant wall. And so, subscribe to our channels, and bye-bye. Watch more videos.